Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is the new BMW X7, the xDrive50i version. The X7 is currently the largest model of the BMW, a 3-row SUV that's lost above the X5. Think of it as the SUV equivalent to the flagship BMW 7 Series sedan, a new flagship in the days of SUVs and a cheap few. Size-wise, it's larger than nearly any other SUV on the market, falling short only on body-on-frame SUVs like the Cadillac Escalade or Lincoln Navigator. At launch, America gets two gasoline engines, an inline-6 xDrive40i and a V8-powered xDrive50i, though a plug-in hybrid will debut sometime within the next year or two. As with other BMWs, the X7 wears run-flat tires. The engineer worked some magic compared to the past BMWs, particularly with the bushings, specifically tuning and suspension to improve the ride quality with our xDrive50i's 22-inch wheels and Pirelli P0 run-flat tires. In the software comfort mode, the front end of the X7 could feel a little light over big dips, but Sport mode mitigated that issue without feeling overly stiff. It's quiet too, enough so that a driver can have a conversation with a third-row passenger without resorting to shouting and hand signals. The only noise you ever really hear inside is the low growl from the 462 horsepower 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. As with any modern German luxury vehicle, the X7 is loaded with tech. The latest generation of BMW's iDrive infotainment system is clean, fast and intuitive, though the chassis controls still feel like a novelty and the voice command system lags behind Mercedes. The subscription-only Apple CarPlay and lack of Android Auto are issues too, but for most of part, it's all easy to use. The full-color heads-up display is a crisp and easy to read, at least without polarized sunglasses. There is a wireless charging pad in front of the heated and cool cup holders and USB-C ports for all three rows. The second row gets a HDMI socket and 2 headphone jacks as well as an built-in Blu-ray player. We like the adjustable ambient lighting, especially the adjustable LEDs in the optional illuminated panoramic glass roof. With the third row up, space behind the rear seat is limited, only fitting our carry-on luggage when placed upright, though there is a sizable bin underneath the load floor. Still, the cargo area is enough for a soft bags or a lot of groceries. The third row folds flat with the plus of the button, vastly increasing the X7's cargo area to 48.6 cubic feet. With the second row flat, too, space increases to 90.4 cubic feet that lags behind both the Range Rover and GLS class, but eclipses the 7 Series 18.2 cubic feet of trunk space by a lot. Pricing for the 6-cylinder X7 xDrive40i starts from $74,895 including the destination charge, slightly more than the older GLS but about $15,000 less than a base Range Rover. Stepping up to the V8 powered xDrive50i will set you back at least $93,595, slightly undercutting the GLS 550 and more than $10,000 and less than more powerful V8 powered Range Rover. The next generation GLS is going to be a tough competitor. Volvo and Audi both offer 3-row models with the XC90 and Q7, but neither of those offer the space or performance of the X7. It's also less expensive and better equipped than its 7 Series sibling. It may not be the sharpest driving vehicle in the BMW's lineup, but it's a good or better than the SUV competition in terms of tech, comfort and refinement. If you want to see the video of 2019 BMW 7 Series facelift, the 750Li xDrive version, then just click the I button above and get the video. And guys, if you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get our daily updates. To get the videos of other SUVs, crossovers or wagon cars, just click the I button above and check out my playlist. And guys, if you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get my daily updates.